These are nothing new, literally nothing new. They're basically a shoe company that makes their shoes completely from recycled materials. Down to every little stitch and detail, they're an eco-friendly company. But not only are they eco-friendly, they actually look really cool and they feel really comfortable to wear as well. Here, I'll just read to you what exactly they are made out of. First of all, their label is made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. Their heel counter is made 100% from post-industrial recycled fishing nets. The binding is made from recycled cotton. The eyelets are made from corrosion-resistant copper and zinc alloy. The laces are made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. The uppers are made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastics as well. The outsoles are made from recycled rubber, recycled cork, and other natural rubber. As you can see, basically every part of this shoe is made from some sort of recycled material. And just because they are made from recycled material, that doesn't mean that the quality of the shoe has gone down. Like, they use a really good stitching throughout the whole shoe. Even in some areas, they're double stitched, and this just really makes them durable. They didn't feel flimsy. They don't feel like they're gonna fall apart as soon as you walk outside in them. They feel really nice, actually. Fun fact for you, these shoes are composed of approximately 5.6 plastic water bottles. So 5.6 of these bad boys equals a pair of shoes. That's really interesting. Something that was actually really surprising for me was how comfortable these are. Because what I was picturing is this uncomfortable water bottle is what these are made out of, and so I was picturing this to be feeling like the same way this would be, but that's not the case at all. This is actually like way comfortable and more durable, but this is just melted down, or I don't know how they do it, honestly. I wish I did know their recipe so I could make my own shoes, but I was surprised at how comfortable they were. I wore this pair actually last weekend to a wedding, and I was on my feet outside all day, and they held up great. I'm surprised that the bride didn't actually get upset with me for stealing her thunder because these shoes are sweet. As you can see as well, they come in multiple different styles, colors, and this isn't even all their selection. They have a bunch of different ones from high tops to low tops. They have leather shoes and all the above. To me, I think it's a great idea, this company, that they went completely eco-friendly, because everyone needs a new pair of shoes at one point in their life, so you might as well get something that helps out the environment and then also looks sweet. They look cool, they're eco-friendly, they're made out of all recycled materials, they feel comfortable to wear, and they last, they're durable. So to me, I'm pleased with them. I think these are awesome alternatives to like Converse. If you want to up your game and get something a little more trendy, these are the ways to go. If you're interested in these shoes, I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll catch you on another video.